Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a newbie, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be sure to hit the bell icon so you can receive a notification anytime I post a new video. I will be styling my hair with a new line by the Curls collection. It's called the Triple Threat. First product that we're gonna use is the blueberry and coconut hair milk. I'm gonna place that all over and then I'm gonna follow it up with the blueberry and mint tea scalp treatment. I love this thing because it actually tingles and it feels really nice on my scalp. It does have a little bit of a medicine-y smell, but that's cool. Next, I'm gonna add blueberry curl and control jelly. You guys know I love that thing. Here, I'm just gonna go ahead and separate my hair and do little finger coils as you see me doing here. Do that all over my head for as much as I can because my hair is tapered, so it was kind of hard to catch those sides. Also to kind of elongate the curl a little bit since my hair is so short. I'm gonna use the sponge in the back because yeah, she's just not that long back there. Here you see me spraying it with the aloe and blueberry juice curl moisturizer before separating. I also make sure that my hands are coated in the product and then I pick it out like so. And now I'm gonna get my edges together with my Blueberry Bliss Control Paste. Y'all know I'm obsessed with baby hair. And voila, and voila. Hope you like it. As usual, if you guys like videos like this, please go ahead and hit the like button. And if you want to see more of this, let me know down below in the comments. Let me know what you want to see more of. And as usual, I'll see you next time.